The ARRMA Senton 4x4 V3 RTR is a well-crafted, ready-to-run short-course truck that is suitable for beginners and experienced users alike, offering exciting bashing speeds and extreme all-terrain durability. The truck features a stronger chassis, retained hinge pin plates, and steering with more clearance for stones, underlining the brand's commitment to enhanced performance and durability. Notably, the ARRMA Senton 4x4 V3 RTR is equipped with rubber-shielded bearings throughout, a castellated slipper pad, and a sliding gear mesh, all of which contribute to its impressive performance. The ride height and body mounts of this model are adjustable, making it easy for users to access and maintain the components. This new version of the ARRMA Senton 4x4 V3 RTR boasts equipment upgrades that increase the original monster truck's performance and durability, including the Spectrum SLT3 transmitter and SLR 300 receiver. The truck, which comes fully assembled, is sold at a reasonable price and has received a high review score of 4.5 from 727 reviews, indicative of its quality and user satisfaction.